LIQUI MOLY Rapid Cleaner is a solvent combination for quick, problem-free cleaning and degreasing in the motor vehicle and industrial sector. LIQUI MOLY Rapid Cleaner cleans drum and disc brakes, linings, brake pads and cylinders, clutch discs and much more. Its excellent penetration capacity means that Rapid Cleaner removes all oil, grease, resin and tar-like residue effortlessly, even from hidden areas. Spray the soiled parts and allow the Rapid Cleaner to dry. LIQUI MOLY Rapid Cleaner is absolutely free of chlorine and acetone and leaves a residue-free and grease-free surface after evaporation. The product may be corrosive for paints and plastic parts. You must therefore check compatibility before use. Rapid Cleaner is a product for universal use by LIQUI MOLY. LIQUI MOLY, for technical and visual value retention for your car, from one single source.